Hey guys, welcome to Tech Approved. So today I have another quick tip for you, and I know it's been a really long time since I've done one of these, but I really felt like doing one as I was experiencing this one problem in Windows that I figured out how to fix, so I was like, why not show everybody else how to fix it also? So it's quite a simple fix, and basically involves where you're locked out of a folder or a drive, and you want to get access back to that folder or drive. So for instance, I made this folder myself as I fixed the problem before, but I made a sample one to show you guys what exactly the problem is. So here I have this folder with a couple of tech-approved videos, and when I click on it, it says you don't currently have permission to access this folder. And then it gives me the option to click continue to permanently get access to this folder. After clicking continue with providing administrator access, it says you have been denied permission to access this folder. So, and then it says that to gain access to this folder, you'll need to use a security tab. So this is a pretty easy fix, but if you don't have experience with this, you probably won't know how to do it. So I'll show you guys a simple way to easily fix this. So all you want to do is you want to right click and then you want to go ahead and click properties. Over here, it will show you that there's no size on the disk, there's nothing in it, as you only have read-only permissions, but even that you're still locked out. So what you want to do over here, as you can see, there's general, sharing, security, previous versions, and customize. You just want to go over to security over here, and then here you want to go over to advanced, and here it will say unable to display current owner. You want to click change over here, and then all you want to do is you can either type administrator for the administrator, users for all the users on the device, or you could even type something simple like everyone. So I'm just going to type everyone, and then after typing that, you just want to go ahead and click replace owner on subcontainers and objects. This will give the ability for anyone to access this drive on my PC. So now I'm just going to go ahead and click apply, and then it's going to ask me if I want to agree to this. So I'm just going to say yes, and it will tell you that if you have taken ownership of this folder, you just want to go back and enter it again. So I'm just going to click OK, and as you can see, now that I click on this, I can enter these and they all work. So that's a pretty easy fix, and if you guys are experiencing this problem, I'm really hoping that this video can help you, because it's a pretty easy fix, but it's something that you can encounter if a drive has been corrupted or something. So it's an easy fix, but it can be quite frustrating because you might be worried you might have lost your data or something. Now in the instance of a drive, if it's a whole drive, I'll show you guys how to also get access to that. So all you want to do is you just want to go over, head over to properties. You want to, now most drives usually have extra features and stuff. So there will be a few more tabs here. Again, you just want to look for the same tab, security. In this case, I've already set this drive to everyone, but again, same procedure. You just want to go over here, you can add everyone. And one of the other cool things is you can also add other principals. So if you don't want people in your PC or other extra users, you can basically provide them access, or you can deny the access. So it's pretty useful for that too. But I mean, if you just want it to be for everyone, and you're having problems, just set it to everyone, and you should have access to this drive again, and you should be good to go. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And I'm trying to get more videos out, but I really need to think of more ideas. So I'm trying to get as many quick tips as I can, but obviously it's a lot easier to do the news ones. So yeah, if you guys like this video, and if you guys are having any difficulties with any Windows problems or anything, just write it down in the comments and I'll try to make a video on it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah.